Okay, there's the inside of the valve. I got that seal. I got that seal in. I actually ended up putting some Teflon tape on the threads. I put it back together. Okay, that just goes on here like this. That up. Okay, so that just screws in here. That. Okay, turn it upside down. I still got to put the gasket on. Still got to put the gasket on. Here, the new washer I picked up at the hardware store. There's the packets there. Comes with 4 of them. It's about $2. 3/4 inch. That's what we're using. There it is there. Okay, that just goes on there like that. The bolt. Tighten on the bolt. That's pretty much it. I'm going to put some Teflon around here when I screw this in, and we're done. Okay, put it back on there now. That's the inner part of the valve I'm screwing back on. And that's it. That part's done.